Hi everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lynn, and you're watching my video. For today's class, I'm going to have a special student. She's very shy girl, but because she always helps me with my videos, she asked me to feature her as well. Ta-da! It's my daughter, Alicia!
My name is Alicia.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Ikea.
Ikea. Okay, let's go!
Let's go.
IKEA. Okay, let's go. So IKEA 是什么？家具。那英文怎么说 ？Home furniture is very good. So we can see a lot of furniture here like this one. What's this? Huh? Sofa. Okay, let's go. Different kind of tables. Wow. Okay, very good. Kitchen. Okay, what do you call this? Refrigerator. Or we can call it fridge.然后烤箱中英文怎么说 ？Oven. Oven. Yes. Okay. So this is the kitchen part. Dining room. And what are we doing here at the dining room? This is for what? Where we can eat. Okay. And we have this. What's this? Bowl. Yes. And of course the glass. Glass. Yes, it's a glass. Okay. Can you open it? I want to see what's inside. Oh, okay, very good. Nice wardrobe. Okay. So, what part of the house is this? What do you call this? Bathroom. Okay, and that is a shower. Shower. Okay, and how about this one? Come here. This is the toilet. Yes, and we call it toilet bowl. Okay, and of course we have the sink. Okay, sink. Where are you now? Living room. Okay, and of course this is again the sofa bed. Yes, and you have the television. Louder. Television. Okay, and this is the living room. Yes. Wow, this living room is really amazing.
These are bookshelves.
Bookshelves. Yes, okay. Different kinds of bookshelves. Office. Okay, and of course you have the desk. Okay, and whiteboard. Yes, whiteboard. Okay, and your chair. Okay, where are you now? Bedroom. And this is the bed. Yes. What do you call this? lamp, okay? And this is the table again, right? And at your back you have the pillow. Okay, that's the pillow. Okay, what's this?
This is double bed.
Double deck bed.
Double bed.
为什么 double deck bed? 因为上下铺。Okay. Different kinds of wardrobe.
The pen.
Pan, okay. We're using pan to cook, right? Like for example, fried. French fries, like that. Okay. And these are kitchen utensils. Okay, we're using this for baking. Baking 就是你要做蛋糕、做 cookies、做面包这些。Okay. Doormat, rugs, carpets. Christmas is in the air. Lots of Christmas decorations. Furniture area, yes, where you can get the furniture that you want to buy. Okay, for example, this shelves. Ikea Bistro. For lunch. 7-Up and beef roll. Let me see. Can I see that? Okay, and of course we also have this pork pie. Can you help me to open it? Yes, pork pie. Okay. Okay, bye-bye.